If you are serious about trading, whether you are trading forex, crypto, stocks, futures, wherever, there is one thing that separates consistently profitable traders from everyone else. And that's keeping a proper trading journal. Today I want to show you the exact trading journal I use every single day. And the best part, it's 100% free. No catch, no sign up, no credit card, completely free. Now, before I give you the link, it's down in the description, don't worry. Let me quickly explain why a trading journal is literally the most important tool in your trading career. Most traders lose money because they trade on emotions. One day they are super disciplined, the next day they revenge trade after a one bad loss and blow half of their accounts. A trading journal forces you to be honest with yourself. Every time you take a trade, you write it down. Why you entered, your setup and edge, risk to reward ratio, how you felt before, during and after the trade. And also what you could have done better. After 50 or 100 trades, you start seeing patterns. That's pure gold. That's how you turn from gambling into professional. And here's the crazy part. There are tons of paid trading journals out there. People pay $30, $60, even $100 per month for basically a fancy spreadsheet with some charts. I've tried most of them. They are very nice, but honestly, you don't need to spend a single dollar to get 95% of the same benefits. This free journal that I'm giving you has everything you need. Trade entry, exit details, profit and loss tracking, win rate, average risk to reward, monthly and yearly statistics, strategy reports, position calculator, even a screenshot selection so you can paste your charts. It's clean, simple and works perfectly in Google Sheets or Excel, so you can use it on your phone, laptop, anywhere. Also, if you like, you can download a desktop version. Alright, enough talking. Let me show you how it works. On the screen you can see Google Sheet. This is trading journal. You can see user manual, so read everything carefully before you start using it. You will find all the information you need right here. Okay, let's go to the next tab. If you click on setup, right here you can set your starting year, enter currency, you can set your profit goals right here as well. In addition, you can add few different accounts. So let's say you got few accounts, so you can add 1, 2, up to 20 different accounts. Also, you can choose your strategy. You got description, you can change that description as well. This is the shortcut for the strategy. Right here you can see description of every single strategy, but of course you can amend it and enter your personal strategy. Okay, next is trading journal. In trading journal tab you can enter your position. So let's say you open position on crude oil. Just enter the time, which account is it, starting balance, is it buy or sell, lot size, currency pairs, which strategy was it, because later on you can filter which strategy is working the best. So it's good to set your strategy, okay? And enter all the details over here. It's quite easy, guys. If you place only few trades a day, it's gonna take you few minutes, okay? Don't worry. It looks complicated, but it's very simple. So try to enter every single trade in this trading journal. If you got all your trades here, you can move to monthly report, so you can check how the month was going. You can set August, you can change for, let's say, September. You can see everything is changing. You can see your deposit, profit loss, winning rate, monthly return, all the informations you need in one place. Also, you can change the year. If you got some statistics from previous year, you can check that as well. Also, you can switch between accounts, okay? If you're gonna add some more accounts, you can switch between those accounts. Next up is annual report. This works exactly the same like a monthly report, but this one will show you the whole year, okay? So the same like on the previous one, you can change accounts, you can change the year if you want to see statistics from previous year, let's say, okay? And you can see your trades, everything in one place. Next one is comparison report. You can switch between accounts and you can see which account is performing the best. Over here you got list of trades as well. Then let's move to the strategy report. Right here you can choose your strategy and see which strategy was working the best, okay? So if you choose the strategy you are working on, you can see your performance, trade side, buy or sell, currency pair, which one is working the best, okay? And also list of trades like like you can see down the bottom. Next one is ticker report, when you can also check your performance. Smart calendar. This is quite interesting because basically you can see each month of your performance and when did you trade. And the last tab is pretty cool because this is position calculator, okay? So you can calculate your risk. You don't need to look on the internet for some calculators. You got everything in Trading Journal. So if you go into this tab, positional calculator, you can set the currency pair, USD JPY. Let's say you want to go sell, point value 10, that can stay. Account balance, let's say it's $100,000, 1%. I want stop loss for 50 pips, so you put 500. And look, the lot size will change. You can see lot size change, so you can use that lot size to set your position. This is risk to reward ratio also. If we're gonna put 100 pips right here, you can see the risk to reward is 1 to 2, lot size 0.02. Also you can add entry price, stop loss, take profit level if you like. But this calculator is working pretty good, so check it out. You don't need to look anywhere else. Okay, this is a Google sheet, but also I want to show you the desktop version, and this is how it looks like, okay? This is dashboard, so it's showing you your total P&L, average win, largest win, average loss, largest loss, your win rate, total trades, daily goal progress, and monthly goal progress. Okay, you can see also everything on this chart right at the bottom. Okay, next up is transactions. Okay, so you can see your transactions, and the good thing is you can import MT4 data. Okay, so if you got account on MT4 MetaTrader 4 platform, you can download your data. It will update the whole trading journal. So this one is pretty cool. We got also smart calendar, where you can see same your performance, when did you trade, which day was the most profitable, which day you had loss. Everything is transparent. Every day which was profitable is green, and with the loss it's yellow over here. Okay, and also you can check what trade was it. If you look down the bottom, you can see GBP USD buy and buy crude oil. If I'm gonna click on this one here, you can see USD CHF buy $2,795 of profit. Okay, next one, notes. This is quite important because you can write down everything what you need. Okay, let's say you want to add new note. You got date over here. So let's say you want to add morning session. That's good. You can add some description. So if you want to open trade, you can write down Euro USD and I will open position. You can add anything, any description you like. Just describe your trade. Why did you open this trade? What was your risk? Stuff like that. Write everything down. You can change the font, the size of the font as well, and also you can paste links. So let's say you want to do screenshot. Okay, let me just make a screenshot, and you want to put the link over here. You can do that. You can see you got the link, so later on you can come back and see the chart, because if you save screenshot from the chart, you will be able to see it later. Okay, also you can add link or image. If you're gonna save the screenshot of your chart when you open the position, you can click on image and put that straight into your trading journal. Okay, so that is pretty cool. Okay, you can see I've put the trade, so you can see the chart right here. Also you can add some more notes. If you want to save it, just click on save. You can add new notes, let's say US session, and the same, you can choose get the category, you can add some tags, choose the date, time, change the font, add some description about your trade, put the link over here. Now you can add another note, let's say USA session. Okay, you can change date, time, category. Also you can add some description, Euro USD, let's say. You can put a link over here. You can put the image as well. Open, you can see the chart right here. Just add some description, and when you're ready, you can click save. Okay, so you can switch between those descriptions every single day. All is sorted by the date, so every single day if you put some notes about the trades, you're gonna put some images over here, put some links. You don't need to look everywhere. Everything is in one place, and it's pretty simple. Okay, let's move forward. We got also monthly reports. You can see the charts over here, so you can check your progress. Got some informations right here as well. Annual report, it's working pretty much same. You got some charts showing you which month was the best. Cumulative P&L and wheel and loss distribution, trade types, top symbols traded. Like you can see on this account, gold was the most traded asset. Next one is ticker report. It's working pretty similar. You can see your progress, trade size distribution, win and loss distribution, individual trade P&L, all the informations you need. You can see win rate 75%. And another one, if you click on setup, you can set initial balance, risk per trade, account currency. You can save that account settings, trading goals, the same like in Google Sheets. You can set your trading goals, and strategy management. You can add some new strategies here as well. Right at the bottom there is import MT4 button. When you click on it, you can download your data from MT4. Alright guys, I encourage you to check it out. This is pretty cool. You don't need to pay for this because this is completely free. Look, I spent years losing money because I didn't track my trades properly. The moment I started journaling seriously, everything changed. My win rate went up, my emotions went down, and I finally become consistently profitable. So if you are tired of the same cycle, big win, big lose, big win, blow up, do yourself a favor. Click the link in the description, download this journal today and start using it on your very next trade. It takes like 3, maybe 5 minutes per trade to fill it out, but it will save you thousands in the long run. If this video helped you, smash the like button, consider subscribing and let me know in the comments. Do you currently keep a trading journal? And if not, what's stopping you? Thanks guys for watching, trade smart, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next one.